Yo guys, welcome to this video, a new bike and a new project. This bike is already pretty fresh because it only has a few hours on it, but it's going to get taken apart anyways and parts of the bike are going to get powder coated. After that, the Supermoto wheels are going to get installed, as well as a big brake kit in the front, as well as the handbrake stunt brake for the rear, and also change out the plastics, as well as add a graphics kit from Bowl Designs and change seat cover. So that just happened, got a bit carried away and the bike is now completely taken apart. That's how it goes sometimes. The frame is missing and it's because it's getting powder coated right now. So in the meantime, let's polish some parts and powder coat the engine covers. The frame is back from powder coating, and as you can see, I didn't choose any color on this one either. Just like the 125 build, I kept it raw and just powder coated with a clear coat. So now I'm excited to start putting this bike back together. All the parts are cleaned, polished and ready to be put back on the bike. Time for the triple clamp. The bolts are zero coated black as well as the washer. So I have received a graphics kit from Bowl Designs as well as some plastics. The graphics kit is full chrome with some fluo yellow and the glossy finish. The plastics are white as well as blue. The blue in the graphics are going to match pretty good with the plastics. But now let's install the graphics kit. So after installing the original exhaust, I used full Acropovic system popped up for sale, so that's going to be installed instead. Also found a FC tank. It doesn't fit directly on the bike if you keep the E-fan on the radiator, but I have modified the fan now, so now it fits. So this is going to be installed as well, and after that all the plastics. Since the exhaust system is from a FC model as well, the mounting points in the engine mount doesn't line up with the one in the exhaust. I'm going to run it like this for now, but I'm probably going to make a bracket or some other mount in the future.